I'm Mia Athavale with ABP Technology. Today we are visiting DrayTek, who have deployed hundreds of DrayTek routers to their customers so far, and they are adding new DrayTek devices to their networks every day. I'm delighted to be joined by Damien Monk, the Operations Manager for DrayTek. Damien, welcome and thanks for joining us.
Thank you. Yeah, great to have you here.
Why don't you start by telling us more about DrayTek and some of your major areas of business?
Sure. DrayTek is a full-service IT technology support company. We have 500 customers in and around Texas. We do financial software for those customers, and in our tech side, we handle routers, servers, remote connectivity, internet connections, phone system, phone lines, networks of all types. I have about 850 Linux servers in deployment right now. Wow. So every aspect of their technology we support.
That's impressive.
So yeah, it's a challenge at times.
That's impressive. Why don't you tell me more about your IT team here? A little bit more context about the challenges you face.
I have 6 technicians. We take support calls for everything from phone issues through routers, VPN, connectivity issues. We also go on site and install locations for our customers too, in and out of the state. They have to juggle so much, so often that it's good to have equipment in place that we can depend on, like routers that we have centralized management for.
Okay. And you were using some other line of networking products before, right? Routers?
Correct, yes. I have used hundreds of MikroTik routers for many years. It was easy for us to continue to use, with the exception of training new people on it. Every time I hire on a new person, it's massive amount of training. If I haven't had exposure to the MikroTik routers for a few weeks, I'm stumbling around trying to get things configured for them, VPNs. I mean, it's extremely convoluted, yes.
So ease of configuration and centralized management are the main reasons you decided to switch to DrayTek.
What sold me on the idea of going with DrayTek and getting rid of the MikroTiks was the central management, seeing how it worked, how you could drag and drop to set up a VPN tunnel. To have a central software that I could connect all of the DrayTeks to. If I wanted to push a firmware update, if I wanted to push a content filter update out to those routers, one click I could do it. They are extremely easy to use. I can have somebody deploy a DrayTek with a day of training. Visually, whenever you log into the DrayTek, it tells you everything you need to know about the ports, what may or may not be working.
So how many DrayTek routers do you have on your ACS right now?
Currently have about 80. Every single router that we've deployed auto connects to the ACS. We set up the router before it leaves, so the moment it gets on site, it connects back to the ACS product. You guys suggested DrayTek to me several times. I didn't think there was any way that there was a product better than what I was using.
It's really important that we test all the products that we recommend in-house, and we make sure that they are compatible, they work well, and then we can support them.
Once you guys took me through it, showed me what it was capable of doing for centralized management, ease of deployment, I have not looked back since. And I have an additional level of support from ABP Tech that made deploying this, changing my previous product. I never would have been able to do that without the support that ABP Tech gave me. Thank you.
It was a pleasure working with you.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
And thanks for joining us today.
Thank you.
So that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching this video. We have many other good videos on ABP Tech TV, so don't forget to tune in and click the subscribe button.